Good morning, 5th class children. Now I am going to tell you about Essay 1 model paper. Essay 1 syllabus children. 5th lesson, 6th lesson, 7th lesson in term 1 book. 5th lesson nutritious food. 5th lesson. 6th lesson religions in India. 7th lesson first aid. 3 lessons children. Nutritious food, religions in India, first aid. 3 lessons, essay 1 syllabus. Now I am going to tell you about model paper. Okay children, EVS subject 5th class summative assessment model paper. First one, Roman number 1. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. 5 into 1, 5 marks. 1 gram of fat gives dash kilocalories of energy to our body. 1 gram of fat. How many kilocalories of energy give us children? 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalories, 6 kilocalories, 12 kilocalories. 9 kilocalories. Right here A. 1 gram of fat gives us 9 kilocalories of energy to our body. Second one, vitamin dash is known as sunshine vitamin. What is that vitamin name children? A vitamin, D vitamin, E vitamin. Vitamin D is correct. Vitamin D is known as sunshine vitamin. Right here B. Next, third one. Dash is the largest religion in the world. Islam, Christianity, Hinduism in the world children. Christianity is the largest religion in the world. Right here B. Next, dash is essential for the growth of bones. Magnesium, iron, calcium. Calcium is essential for the growth of bones. Right here letter C. Next, fifth one. Dash help in the formation of new cells. Fats, proteins, carbohydrates. Proteins help in the formation of new cells. Right here letter B. Right here letter B. Okay children. First one, 1 gram of fat gives us 9 kilocalories of energy to our body. Vitamin D is known as sunshine vitamin. Next, Christianity is the largest religion in the world. Calcium is essential for the growth of bones. Next, fifth one, proteins help in the formation of new cells. Okay children. Next, fill in the blanks. Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. Dog bite may cause infection and lead to rabies. What is that children? Rabies disease. Or A, B, I, E, S. R-A-B-I-E-S. Rabies. Dog bite may cause infection and lead to rabies. Next, second one. Siddhartha attained enlightenment in Gaya. G-A-Y-A. Gaya. Next, third one. Gomateshwara is known as Bahubali. Gomateshwara is known as Bahubali. B-A-H-U-B-A-L-I. Bahubali. Next, malnutrition is the result of not following a dash diet, balanced diet. B-A-L-A NCED, NCED, balanced, balanced diet, DIET children, here T. Okay, malnutrition is the result of not following a balanced diet. Next, fifth one, a dash gives support to broken bone. Splint, S P L I N T, splint. Dog bite may cause infection and lead to rabies. Siddhartha attained enlightenment in Gaya. Gomateshwaram is known as Bahubali. Malnutrition is the result of not following a balanced diet. A splint gives support to a broken bone. Next, match the following children. Red Cross, Islam, overeating, Buddhism, plant protein, pulses, obesity, Nirvana, peace, symbol of first aid. Okay children, Red Cross, symbol of first aid, right here E. Next, Islam, peace, right here D. Overeating, obesity, right here B. Buddhism, Nirvana, C. Plant proteins, pulses, A. Okay children, Red Cross, symbol of first aid, Islam, peace, overeating, obesity, Buddhism, Nirvana, plant proteins, pulses. Okay children, E, D, B, C, A. Next, fourth Roman children, state whether the following statements are true T or false F. First aid gives permanent cure. This is the correct one children. No, false. Right here F. First aid gives permanent cure, false. There is no official religion in India, true. Right here T. Next, food gives us energy to work, true. All snakes are poisonous, false. Hinduism is the oldest religion in the world, true. Next, what do these words of Islam means? Allah, Namaz, Ramzan, Quran, Kaaba. Okay children, Allah, God, God, God. Namaz, worship, WORSHIP, worship. Namaz, festival, FESTIVAL, festival. Quran, scripture, SCRIPTURE, scripture. Next, Kaaba, holiest place, HOLIEST, holiest place, PLACE, place. Okay children, Allah, God, Namaz, worship, Ramzan, festival, Quran, scripture, Kaaba, holiest place. Next, sixth Roman, write the equivalent word to the given word in these two religions. Sikhism, Buddhism. Guru Nanak, Sikh Guru Nanak, and Buddhism Gautam Buddha. GAUTAM, Gautam Buddha. BUDDHA, Gautam Buddha. GAUTAM BUDDHA, Gautam Buddha. Next, Guru Granth Sahib. Next, Buddhist, Sikhs, SIKHS, Sikhs. Guru Granth Sahib. Tripitaka, TRIPITAKA, Tripitaka. Next, Buddhism, Vihara. Next, Golden Temple, GOLDEN, Golden, TEMPLE, Temple. Next, Amritsar, right here. Yangon in Burma, BURMA, YANGON, Yangon in Burma, BURMA. Okay children, if you have any doubts, 5th Roman and 6th Roman, open your term 1 workbooks, page number 37. Okay children, check once. Term 1 workbook, page number 37. Okay, Sikhism, Buddhism. Guru Nanak, founder, and Gautam Buddha, founder. Here Sikhs, Buddhist. Guru Granth Sahib and Tripitaka, Buddhism. Golden Temple, Vihara. Amritsar, Yangon in Burma. Okay children. Next, 7th Roman. Answer the following questions. Why do we need food? Where do we get our food from? Food gives us energy to work and play. Without energy, our body cannot function properly. We get our food from plants and animals. Therefore, body food GIVES gives US as ENERGY, energy, TO2, WORK, work, and PLAY, play, WITHOUT, out, without, ENERGY, energy, OUR, our, BODY, body, CINNOT, not, cannot, FUNCTION, function, PROPERLY, properly, WEGET, get, OUR, our, FOD, food, FRM, from, PLANTS, plants, and ANIMALS, animals. Okay children, food gives us energy to work and play. Without energy, our body cannot function properly. We get our food from plants and animals. Next children, name the nutrients. Right here. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Name the nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. CARBOHYDRATES, carbohydrates. PROTEINS, proteins. FATS, fats. VITAMINS, vitamins. MINERALS, minerals. Okay children, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Children, if you have any doubt, check once. Term 1 workbook, nutritious lesson, page number 30. Next, oral children. Mention the name of religions in our country. Whose birthplace are these? Mecca, Prophet Muhammad. Bethlehem, Jesus Christ. Lumbini, Buddha. Okay children, don't write here, only oral. Mecca, Prophet Muhammad. Bethlehem, Jesus Christ. Lumbini, Buddha. Religions: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, Bahaism. Okay children, once check once. Term 1 workbook, page number 36. This is a term 1 workbook, page number 36. Hinduism, Islamism, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, Bahaism. Okay children, Whose population is the largest? Hindus. What is the percentage of Muslims? 14.2%. Who make 0.4% of Indian population? Jains. Okay, children. Read 3 lessons in EVS. Religions in India. Nutritious. First aid. Next, this is a what do these words of Islam means? Allah, namaz, Kaaba, Ramjan. Allah, God, namaz, worship, Kaaba, holiest place, Ramjan festival, Quran, scripture, mosque, place of worship, Medina, sacred place, Bakrid festival. Next, Sikhism, Buddhism. Guru Nanak, Gautam Buddha. Sikh is Buddhist. Guru Granth Sahib, Tripitika. Next, Golden Temple, Vihara. Amritsar, Angan in Burma. Guru Purab, Buddha Purnima. Okay, children. Practice at home. More practice at home. This is a Essay 1 model paper only, children. This is a Essay 1 model paper only. Practice at home. 3 lessons in Term 1 course book. Thank you, children. I will meet in the next class.